Here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, after kind of a damp and soggy past couple of days across the area, we'll start to get back to more of a typical summertime scenario through the 4th of July. So here's the setup. We've been tracking this slow tropical disturbance really over the past several days. The surface low featured with it now over the northern parts of the state. And as that continues to track eastward here over the next 24 to 48 hours, that's pretty much where the highest rain chances will kind of be confined. And for us, we'll still have some scattered showers out there, but again, more so on a isolated to scattered basis with those pop-up showers and storms that we would typically see during the summer months here in Acadiana, with rain chances at around 30 to 40%. We did see some locally heavy downpours earlier today, but most of that pretty much starting to wrap up. Only exception, some light to moderate activity here in and around New Iberia. That's pushing off to the east. So we'll maintain about a 10 to 20% rain chance at least over the next couple of hours, but most of us looking to stay dry. It's going to be a mild night ahead, mid-70s for that overnight low. So that's where we'll start our Sunday, and then mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day. And notice not quite as much shower and storm activity. So again, instead of 70 to 80% on the rain chances, we'll bring them down to around 30 to 40%. As a result, a little bit hotter out there, lower 90s into the afternoon. And tomorrow night, heading into Monday morning, 4th of July, we'll start out mid to upper 70s and then right back up lower 90s for our 4th of July afternoon. Again, a couple pop-up showers possible, but notice highest rain chances setting up more so over towards southeastern Louisiana, say near New Orleans, and in places off to the east, Mississippi, Alabama, and then across the Florida Panhandle. Quickly out in the tropics, Bonnie now making its way towards the eastern Pacific. Could become a hurricane down the road, but not going to be an issue for us. Tropical wave here nearing the islands there, Jamaica and Haiti. That has about a 10% chance to develop in the next 5 days, but really not looking to do much. And most of us sleeping early this morning at 4 a.m. Tropical storm Colin formed just off the South Carolina coastline with winds of around 40 miles per hour. And it's going to continue to hover the coast over the next 24 hours or so before eventually continuing to dissipate out in the open Atlantic. And that's not really bringing much in the way of significant impacts to the Carolinas. And the rest of the tropics at this time, quiet. Looks to stay relatively quiet at least over the next week to 2 weeks. So here we go, temperature wise. Again, tomorrow afternoon, lower 90s. Feels like temperatures 100 to 105 during the hottest part of the day. Mid 70s, that's where we'll start our 4th of July. That'll be right back up into the lower 90s by the afternoon with, again, a few pop-up showers and storms possible. But overall, again, after numerous showers and storms today, going back to yesterday, things settling down a little bit, at least over the next couple of days here in Acadiana. 75, the projected low tonight. We'll get back to fair skies after midnight, 91 to 92 into the afternoon tomorrow. So it's going to be hot and humid. And again, a few showers and storms developing with the heating of the day, but can't go much higher than around 30% on your rain chance. Similar story heading into the 4th of July on Monday. And then here we go, much of next week, definitely looking like July here in Acadiana. Hot and humid conditions, low to mid 90s for those high temperatures, and rain chances anywhere from around 40, 50, maybe upwards of 60% for those scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms.